Good afternoon, morning campers, however you're doing today. Checking out the situation around the home front. Have we had enough of winter yet? Snowbanks here, well, this one's already been removed once, and it's taller than I am. That one's not so bad, but man, I've never had so much snow in my yard before. You can't see it, but if you look really close, see that bump? That is where my, not bird feeder, bird bath is. It's totally buried. The trail just gets really deep. Snowblower's having a hard time getting through it now. And then we got our dandy mountains of snow over here that the town nicely put, or not so nicely put. Here in Niagara, we don't practice snow removal. We're all about snow reallocation. So they like to put snow here in my yard. If you look down here, you got one cherry tree, and you see two cherry tree right in the center here. Oops, right here. There should be a third cherry tree. Well, there used to be a third cherry tree until the town buried it. So that's my gripe against the town. Please do snow removal instead of snow reallocation. They've dumped the snow in people's front yards all over town. I can't imagine what kind of damage they've done underneath, because they just go in with the front end loaders and don't really care. As you can clearly see, my tree in the middle is gone, so yeah, who cares what's there? We're just going to dump snow on it. And I'm sure a lot of us have this issue this time of year. Stupid ice dams building up on all our roofs. But you know, it doesn't help that there's 3 to 4 feet of snow on top of each one. This year though, it looks like I've lost my whole gutter system, probably the fascia board too. That's ripped right off the house. It's just being held on by the snow, by the ice. Oh man, the wind's wicked out here. We're in winter weather advisory for today. We're expecting another 6 to 8 inches of snow on top of everything we've already got this year, which is massive. I got one more thing to show you guys. See this? These are icicles that came off my garage. For perspective, the one on the left weighs about 100 pounds. Those guys came down off of the edge of my garage here. A couple down here in the snow. There's one. If we do some digging over here, put a dent in my panel on my car, which is permanently stuck in the snow this year. I can't get her out. That's a lot of digging. But man, neighbor's house, look at all that poor ice up there. Man, sorry for those who have water damage. I have some water damage, but I'm sure that my insurance policy is so crappy that they won't cover anything. So I'll be left to do the repairs in the spring on my own cost. Oh, ice everywhere. Look at that. That roof's got lots of ice on it too. Well, finished cleaning up from last night's event. Not looking forward to cleaning up for tonight's event. Alright, this has been What's Gary Doing. I hope you're doing better than I am, or hell, in a nice warm place like Arizona, maybe Florida, Australia, you never know. As long as it's warmer than here and well, a couple of feet less of snow. Oh man. Alright. Signing off. Thank you. Oh no, hang on. Sorry. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of this winter. Because, yeah, I'm sure we all got our gripes of this winter. Till next time.